Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate marble pound cake. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Grease a 9x5-inch loaf pan well. And set it aside for now. Then melt the dark chocolate in the microwave until it's melted, stirring it every 15 to 30 seconds so it heats evenly. And set it aside to cool. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened batter, and beat it with an electric mixer on medium speed until it's smooth. Then add in the sugar a little at a time, beating it well after adding each addition. Once all the sugar is added, cream the mixture on medium speed for another 6 minutes. Don't cream it on high speed. Then add in the eggs one at a time. Make sure they're at room temperature. Mixing on medium speed for 30 seconds after adding each one. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Add in the dry ingredients a third at a time, mixing on low speeds just until combined after adding each addition. Then finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients. Try not to overmix the batter. Add 1.5 cups of the batter into a separate medium bowl. Or if you're measuring by weight, I'll put it on the screen right now. Then add in the melted chocolate from earlier and mix it in just until it's combined. Pour about half of the vanilla batter into the prepared pan. Spread it out to the edges. Add about half of the chocolate batter on top. And spread it out to the edges. Add the rest of the vanilla batter. Spread it out to the edges. And add spoonfuls of the chocolate batter on top. Then use a knife to marble the two batters. Then bake it in the oven for 50 to 55 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool in the pan for 5 to 10 minutes. Then turn it out of the pan onto the cooling rack and let it cool completely. To make the vanilla icing, in a small bowl, sift in the powdered sugar and add in the vanilla extract and milk, adding just 1 teaspoon at a time and mixing it well. Then keep adding more milk, 1 teaspoon at a time, and mixing well until it forms a thick, smooth icing. cover it in plastic wrap so it doesn't dry out on the top while the cake is still cooling. Place a baking sheet under the cooling rack to catch any drips, and drizzle the icing onto the cooled cake. Then let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes until the icing is set. Then slice it up and serve. And that's how to make a chocolate marble pound cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.